Aloha everybody! It's time for Fit Cooking. Okay, today in Kiana's kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make healthy homemade granola. Okay, so the first ingredient you need, oats, your favorite nuts. I'm going to use raw almonds and pumpkin seeds. They're really healthy, loaded with protein, fiber, lots of nutrients. You need some high quality coconut oil, maple syrup, and some dried fruit. Let's get started. You're also going to need some cinnamon, pure vanilla extract, ground nutmeg, and salt. First thing we're going to do is line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. Okay, so get out your largest mixing bowl, and I just ordered these on Amazon. I love these because they stack, so they save space in your cabinet. They come in a variety of different colors. I ordered the gray because it goes with my backsplash, so pretty. And I love these also because they have a handle, a non-slip handle, and they have spouts. So we'll get this out and put all the ingredients in here. First ingredient, 4 cups of oats. Next goes in 1.5 cups of nuts. I'm starting with the raw almonds. Don't those look good? Just dump them all in. The pumpkin seeds, ooh, yummy, yummy. Okay, and real quick, I want to show you these I just ordered on Amazon. These are so genius. They help you save space, so you can just stack them and then store them in your drawer. How genius is that? 1 teaspoon of salt. And here's another little gadget that I love. It's an adjustable measuring spoon. So you just slide this and you can adjust it from, 1/4 teaspoon all the way up to 1 tablespoon. Another good space saver. Need a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Okay, then we get out our chopsticks or a whisk and stir. 1/2 cup of coconut oil. I'm going to put it in the microwave so it gets all melted. You always want to look for virgin coconut oil, not refined. Virgin coconut oil is the one that smells really tropical and yummy. Unrefined literally just smells like petroleum jelly. So look for virgin. Now we're going to add the coconut oil. Stir it up and coat all of the nuts, all of the oats. Remember, use the best quality ingredients you can afford. It's a secret to making any baking dish, meal that you make turn out good. I mean, how could this not be delicious? Look at all those almonds, all the oats. It smells so good, the pumpkin seeds. Okay, now we're going to add the vanilla extract and the maple syrup and put it in the oven. If you don't have maple syrup, you can also use honey or agave nectar. I always look for organic maple syrup, pure maple syrup. Add this, putting in the vanilla extract. Now that I think about it, I probably should have stirred this into the coconut oil. It'll be okay. So we want a nice even layer. And I love granola that's crunchy and crispy, so I'm going to cook this about 40 minutes, 2 sessions of 20 minutes, and stir it in between because I want all the oats and the nuts to get crunchy. Okay, so while it's baking, get out some extra goodies you want to put in. I'm going to put some dried cranberries and some unsweetened coconut flakes. You don't want to put these in until about 10 minutes before it's finished because you don't want the cranberries to dry out anymore and you want the coconut to be toasted. Another treat you can put in, which my kids love, dark chocolate chips. This brand I really love. It's not made with any sugar. It's sweetened with stevia. And it's just really delicious. There's no chemical, no added anything except for dark chocolate and stevia. Bake this at 350 for 20 minutes, stir, and then another 20. It's been 20 minutes, let's check on it. It smells so good in here. It smells like oatmeal cookies. It's looking nice and brown. Let's stir it up. I remember my mom making this. She would actually put it in 4 or 5 times, constantly stirring so that all of the oats get crunchy. I think that's what I'm going to do. The house smells so good. It's actually raining today, so this is why I'm making it. It's just something healthy and fun to do today. so while that's baking again, I'm getting ready with the jars I'm going to store it in. You always want to keep it in airtight containers. I love storing things in mason jars, and actually I'm going to, I think, give my mom one of these too. She'll love it. Okay, we're going to stir it again. It's getting really brown and suntanned. Should be ready in about 15 minutes. Because it's all nice and toasty, I just tasted it. It's really crunchy. So what I'm going to do is add all of the goodies and then bake it for 5 minutes. All done! Oh my gosh, doesn't that look delicious? Everything is all brown and crunchy. You can see the coconut is toasted. The cranberries are still nice and juicy and moist. The oats are nice and suntanned. Remember, it will still continue to get crunchy as it cools. So let's let this cool for about 15 minutes and then try some over some Greek yogurt. The granola is cooled. I put it in the mason jars. It is absolutely delicious. And what I love is it's all natural, very low in sugar. The only sweetener we used was a 1/2 cup of maple syrup for this entire batch. And it's delicious to have over smoothie bowls, as cereal, as trail mix, or over some Greek yogurt. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Keep on fit cooking.